Dahil may naglabas ng tungkol sa imbitasyon ng Kongreso kay Rufa Gutierrez para joint inquiry pursuant to Resolution No. 286 on Disinformation and Other Related Issues ng Committees on Public Order and Safety, Information and Communications Technology, and Public Information noong Friday, marami tuloy ang nagme-message sa aktres para tanungin siya tungkol doon. Actually, inimbitahan si Rufa na maging resource person at may share rin niya sa Joint Committee ang kanyang personal experience as a subject of false information. Bukod nga kay Rufa ay inimbitahan din sina Vice Ganda, Mon Confiado, at Baron Geisler, pero pare-pareho silang hindi pumuwed. Actually, noong Thursday lang kami tinawagan tungkol doon at ipinarating nga namin kay Rufa ang imbitasyon ng Kongreso. Nang nagkausap naman kami ni Rufa nitong Tuesday ay sinabi niyang i-share na lang namin ang official statement niya tungkol doon. To my concerned friends and fans who have been reaching out, yes, I was invited to attend this hearing but politely declined, not only due to a prior commitment but also because I choose not to be politically involved, even as I remain a target of fake news and misinformation. At the end of the day, truth prevails. I remain dedicated to my work in the entertainment industry, which I truly love, with grace and purpose. Let's focus on what truly matters, integrity, growth, and the things that bring light into our lives. Have a blessed Tuesday. Hindi naman maikakailang napakaraming fake news na ang inilabas ng ilang content providers tungkol kay Rufa kaya sa netizens, fans, dapat lang nasiguraduhin nating hindi fake news peddlers ang pina-follow ninyo, ha? Yun na.